Hey you, are your sales good? Oh yeah, I'm making lots of sales. So what's your average ticket sale? Oh, I don't know. What's your conversion rate? Oh, I don't know. How many opportunities do you see in a day? Oh, I don't know. How many leads do you get in a day? Not sure. You're not doing well in sales, because if you don't know those numbers back to front in your head verbatim, you're not actually getting the most out of your business. And especially if you have a team, you're leaving lots and lots of money on the table.
I found the event and the program so helpful due to Adrian just being there 24/7 for us. It's helped the business grow, it's helped us mature, and the structure that we need to be able to get to the places that we want to.
I've learned how to prospect business clients through the program. We're starting to slowly build up a client base of real estate agents, basically what we were after. So I didn't have those before the program.
The event's been very informative. I've taken away a lot from it, and now I just know what my next step will be in the future.
So if you like doing that, keep doing what you're doing. But if you want a different outcome, check us out.